Hey guys, I'm back, and just in case you forgot my name is Alina Pandey. But before I tell you what I'm going to teach you today, Happy New Year! So today is December 31st, 2020. Okay? So I'm going to be teaching you how to make a hexafish. So this is what a hexafish looks like. Now a hexafish is really dense, as you can see. So what you'll need a crochet hook, your fingers, S-clip, rubber bands. Now a mini loom. Now I don't have a mini loom, so I made this thing that's like a mini loom. So I used pencils, paper, and rubber bands. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on a mini loom, I think. And your brain. So let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, here's my mini loom, and then here's my rubber bands. So I'm going to choose this color, light pink. Now, what you're gonna do, you're gonna find a peg. For me, it's a pencil, but you're gonna find a peg. So I choose this black pencil. Now, what is going forward? What is going the opposite side? That's what I'm gonna choose. That's what I'm gonna. So I'm gonna take a rubber band, twist it, and then bring it to that rubber band. So put that rubber band, twist it, and put it to the other side. Like that. Then you're gonna choose a different peg. Like I'm gonna choose the pencil that is next to the black one, which is green. I choose the green one instead of the blue one. This green that has no pattern. So now you're gonna go this way to diagonal. Okay, and you should choose the same color. It's a good option if you choose same color for one group. And then there's 2 more peg left. So you're going to choose one of the sides, and then you're going to take the rubber band, put it in the peg, twist it, or pencil, twist it, and then put it in the other. Now it kind of make a spider web thing. Now mine isn't very even because it's like my pencil isn't super even, but it should work. Now what you're gonna do, you're going to do that again. Now you should remember which side did I do first. So then you should go that side. So you should do a different color. And if you're a beginner at making these, then you shouldn't do all the same color, because then it will be hard to see which band is what and which band you're supposed to take out. Okay, now what pencil did I do? So I did the green one. So I'm gonna do that. Twist it. And then you're gonna do this for until you have 3 groups. So I'm gonna do red, pink, orange, and yellow. Okay, as you can see, I did pink, orange, pink, orange, and yellow. Now for this step, you're gonna need a crochet hook. You should always have 3 tiers, so which means you should have 3 colors in each pencil or that peg. Then you're gonna take the bottom rubber band, hook it with the crochet hook, or if you don't have a crochet hook, then you can take it out with your fingers. And then take that crochet hook and out. Then let it release. Now I'm going to do this with the other pegs or pencils. So hook it with that rubber band, take that out, whoopsies, and hook. in that. So make sure all of your pencils only have two colors, because then if let's say you forgot one pencil to take the rubber band out, then you'll have to like take the previous like that rubber band that you like when you notice that you didn't take that rubber band out, you'll have to the part like over here, this part, so you'll have to like take it out like that and put it back where it was, but it'll make it even harder and longer to make. Now we only have two tiers, so you need a third tier. So now when you're making this, you should keep on like doing the same order, like so you chose the black, you chose this peg first, so then I'm gonna do it that. You chose this peg second, so I'm gonna do that second. You chose this peg third, so I'm gonna do that peg third, like that. So that it's easier to remember, and I think it makes it more better. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the rubber bands out. And once you've done two colors, once you looped out two colors, your bracelet or keychain should like start forming, as you can see there. Now you're gonna keep on repeating this process over and over again until you want it as long enough, and then you're gonna add the S-clip, and it should start to look like this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe down below, and Happy New Year. Bye!